Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Abhirami. I teach Physiology in Manipal MedAce. I have trained more than 70,000 students for the past 7 years to excel in NEET PG, INI-CET and FMGE as well, both offline and online. All these years of experience and feedbacks put together is what you see as Physiology in Manipal MedAce. In Physiology, we have recorded 45 hours of video lectures filled with mnemonics, stories and illustrations along with 600 MCQs and also more than 50 clinical case discussions which will help you to build your concepts in clinical pathology, pharmacology and also medicine. You will find the most simplified version of ECG, acid-base balance, respiratory physiology and CNS, which most students consider as a nightmare. You will not only learn the subject, but I also assure you will start loving the subject. The difference between ordinary and extraordinary is that little extra. At MedAce, we provide you with that little extra edge which will definitely help you to excel in your preparations. Wishing you a happy journey.